Hello guys, welcome back to the custom furniture tutorial. This is part 3, the final part. In this part we will learn how to make the SQLs. Now, my friend Victor Leach from VML Web, he's the official owner of Habbo. He designed this for me. It was my idea though. He is also known as McCheese. So first you're gonna come here, habbo.co.uk/custom_installer/ I will put that in the description. So you're gonna go to custom installation. Now the furniture ID, this could be a random ID. Well, it should be a random ID. Should be pretty long. It's normally 10 characters, 9 to 10 characters. So I'm gonna type random things in. You could type the same thing in if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, choose file. Alright, wait, let me go back to desktop. So you're gonna go back to the custom Fernie folder. Go back to the folder that you put the SWF in. So you do that, so you're gonna get the shit T, or you're gonna get the file name automatically in the SQL. You don't have to worry about that. So furniture name is the actual name that you want to come up when, like, say you alright, so it's gonna it's the actual name that's gonna come up when shit, my mind's going. Alright, like when you click the Fernie, that, like, in the client, that's what's gonna come up. So I'm gonna call it shitty throne. In the furniture type, just put S, because it's a solid object, so that's pretty much what that means, I guess. I don't know what S means. I'm just guessing it's solid object. If it's a wall, paper, or anything, then it's gonna be I, but that's more advanced stuff, so I'd suggest sticking to easy things like thrones and eggs first. By the way, the Spyro SWF that's in the folder with the throne SWF, that's an egg. So if you want to try that too, I'd suggest this though. So furniture description will be created by Tommy. Or you could just do whatever you want the description to be. It could be like, since it's a shitty throne, ew, this smells like shit. Alright, so width 1, because it's a throne, 1. Height. Now, height, you could get confused with this one. It's the stack height. So if you put something, if you make this stackable, then that's how tall, like if you put something on top of it, if you made it stackable, then that's how tall it would be when you put something on it. So that's how, so if you made something that's 1, 2, then it would go 2 above it. I don't know if you don't get it, whatever. Just put 0. Wait, no, it's 1. My bad. It's 1 for thrones. So you're making thrones. Sprite ID. This is a 4-digit number that can be random. Shit. Alright, data ID. I just made up the name data ID. I don't really know what this is for. It's kind of pointless to me, but it's just supposed to be 6 digits, so just put random 6 digits. Interaction type default, because it's a throne. I might make a few more tutorials explaining everything here, like if you want to make wallpapers and things like that. But I'd stick to thrones until you learn more about it. Those of you who are staff or have access to database things, then you would probably understand this a bit more, and try to learn SQLs a little more before you go crazy about this stuff. Interaction count, it's actually 1. So interaction type, that's the actual, like, if you click on it, what happens. So if it's a vending machine, then you put vending machine, something like that. But for now, for a throne, you put default. If it's a gate, you put 2, and you put gate, like gate. But for thrones, you put default and 1. Or wait, yeah, 1. Sittable, 1, because it's a throne, you can sit in it. Vending ID, you could just put 0 for that, because that falls into, if it's a vending machine, then you put vending machine, then vending ID would be the item ID, which gets really confusing. Alright, catalog page ID. This is where the stuff gets easier. Catalog page, you just, normally it's 94. That's the rarest page for Phoenix things. And then cost, coins. That would be the amount you want it, the amount of coins you want it to be. So, just put 1, because it's a shitty throne. 1, no, 0. Let's make it 0 because it's fucking shitty throne. And then amount, that's how much you would get when you bought it in the catalog. So you could skip these things at the bottom. They aren't needed unless you're me, because yeah, that's just for me. Alright, so these are all your SQLs. That's everything. See, there's the IDs and stuff. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. If you need any help, just ask me. Now, a recommendation would be to upload these to Rage Zone or Otaku and get some feedback, because otherwise you're gonna end up just, if you send it to people, most people probably won't want your first couple, but get some feedback and then keep making more, and I guarantee you'll get better at it. It's not that hard, and this makes it 10 times easier that you have the SQLs. So, the SQL generator. Now, enjoy, guys. If you need any help, email me. It's in the description. The link for this is in the description. Have fun. Thanks for watching.